I will be demonstrating my assignment tutorial in the Grade 2 Physical Education classroom. I am currently in the stream. The stream houses all of our posts. You may also access the assignment from the Classwork tab. Each lesson post has instructions that you should be reading, followed by the Google Slides and videos that you should watch before participating in each activity. You may also type in comments that are public for all students and teachers to read. If you click on the lesson post, it will take you into the assignment. Again, instructions that you should read, followed by Google Slides and video attachments. You can also make public comments and add them to the lesson post in this feature. If you'd like to comment to the teachers privately, please send us a private comment. Once you have completed your lesson, we want you to click Mark as Done so we know that you completed the assignment. If you'd like to submit videos or pictures, you will do so by clicking Add or Create. Once you click Mark as Done, you will be prompted one last time to submit your assignment.